My instructions at all time. Touch glove if you want, then you go back to your corners. Gentlemen, let's go back to your corners.
Referee Mohammed Sulaiman for
Judge.
This featherweight mixed martial arts contest. Leonardo Cassotti in the black and blue, and Adilet Nurmatov in the green and black. And immediately, Nurmatov takes that center ring and trying to back up Cassotti. Cassotti swings wildly with a big right hand and follows up with a body kick.
Cassotti's got a bomb of a right hand. He's knocked out many opponents with that right hand. Look for him to set that one up. When it hit the ground as well, Cassotti's got a very tricky leg lock game.
It's good off the bottom, and you need to be. You know, if you're fighting a wrestler like Nurmatov, you've got to be tricky off the ground, and he immediately gets tested, but bounces right back up, but allows Nurmatov to get that body lock. It looks like the rope saved him from possibly ending up on his back there again. Hanging on to that.
Сайма. Үй интернети менен телевидение. Секундасына 100 мегабитке чейинки ылдамдык. 200дөн ашуун телеканал. Старт жана О кино кинотеатрлары. ТВ приставка акысыз. 55% арзандатуу менен. Бул кыял эмес, чындык. Сайма менен жашооңду ыңгайлуу жана жайлуу кыл. Сайма күйгүз толугу менен кошул.
Chooses to take him inside and immediately steps over into mount.
Cassotti finding himself in a lot of trouble now. He's going right to the leg lock game. This is what he's good at. These submission attempts might stop Nurmatov. Slow him down in these wrestling exchanges. Again, in Nurmatov. Right, it's 50-50. Cassotti looking for Kimura here. He's got to watch out now.
It's dumped. Oh, he has it. Look at that. Transitions nicely, but I like the attacking game of Cassotti. Not just accepting these takedowns, not just trying to scramble back up to his feet, but attacking the legs, attacking the arms, giving Nurmatov something else to think about as Nurmatov goes for an ankle.
Put Kimura here.
That's the first time.
Foot Kimura from Nurmatov. Cassotti goes right.
Nurmatov, like, what are you doing? What are you doing trying to take my leg like that? Well, there's a heel hook there. Nurmatov looks like he's hiding the heel well. Doesn't quite have heel exposure, but he's got that leg triangle. Nurmatov dropping ground and pound. I got a comment, though. Cassotti looks to be in tremendous condition from when he fought Nguyen on like 3 days notice, jumped in facing one of the best in the world as he attacks that heel hook. The knee's past the hip line, so it looks like Nurmatov probably is safe here. Looks almost annoyed at the submission attempts by Cassotti as he jumps on the back.
Good composure and balance from Nurmatov. As he goes for another takedown, but Cassotti is always on a submission and now gives up his back. Nurmatov now, both hooks in, looking to attack that rear naked choke.
Cassotti's gonna have to defend. He's defending the choking arm quite well. Doesn't have to worry about the top hand quite yet. Let's see if Nurmatov can change hands. Yep, he looks like he's sliding under the chin with the other arm. Cassotti seems wise to it. That's a face crank right there. Gonna be painful. Nurmatov's got a good squeeze, but Cassotti's doing a good job of defending the submission attempt so far.
Going to the figure four side as well, putting pressure on that ankle. Making it hard for Nurmatov to work. Cassotti will look a spin in here and end up on guard, in guard.
Cassotti is used to adversity, leaving his family 15 months ago to try to promise them that he will make their lives better here in Thailand by chasing the world's biggest stage of martial arts. And you can tell that he's fighting for something deep as he's defending some nasty submission attempts by Nurmatov early on here. Nurmatov doesn't want to let go of the back. Looks like he's climbing his way back up to the front. Look at he thought about a Sulayev stretch there for a moment as he attempted to attack the leg, but Cassotti extends and stands back up, goes back down.
Good back control from Nurmatov. Cassotti had the right idea. Went to that treetop position, tried to pop back up to his feet, but Nurmatov Figure four in the back position, trying to earn himself a submission victory in the first round. He's looking for that rear naked choke. It's been 2 attempts now at that face crank, but Cassotti is a veteran.
Underneath the chin, though. That's a bad spot for the veteran to be in. The squeeze is there. He's flattened out. That might be a wrap, Gianni. Cassotti's digging deep. Cassotti doesn't want to tap. Oh, the determination, the grit from Leonardo Cassotti. Oh, and the 10-second clapper goes. Cassotti digging deep with the promise to his family that he will survive and do well here. And he survives. This match so far looks like it's one-way traffic going through Kyrgyzstan early on here in this featherweight mixed martial arts bout. Let's see if Cassotti can throw something maybe up the middle that earns a little bit of respect and deters Nurmatov from coming forward and dragging him back down to the mat. A good angle creation there from Nurmatov as he nice clean jab. He follows it up with 2.
Good feints with the footwork light on his toes. Cassotti with the right hand low. He's looking to loop that right hand over that shoulder. Adilet. He's going to use the strike to set up into the body lock again.
Cassotti digging for the underhooks, trying to get his arm underneath one of the arms of Nurmatov. Looks like Cassotti tried to hook the foot with these ropes to prevent that takedown, but Nurmatov was undeterred. Looks to drop knees, slides one hook in. Cassotti works his way back up to his feet, trying to fight the hands. Goes for the leg, drives underneath. Looking for a possible heel hook here. Tricky transition into that leg lock, Gianni.
Hasn't found the leverage yet. Had a good bite on that heel. You see there, Nurmatov separating the figure four on the leg. And it's good work. The submission attempt got him back to the feet, but again, Nurmatov drives him right back down. Nurmatov has been waiting for an opportunity like this to change his life. An opportunity to showcase his skills, and this is the platform to do it. The best and the most impressive fighters on One Friday Fight stand a chance, the opportunity to fight on the pinnacle of martial arts, one championship. Nurmatov trying to etch his name to that top of the list.
Nurmatov keeping a tight lock on the very elusive scrambler that is Cassotti, as Cassotti looks like he's attacking that Kimura on the far side again. He's using the submission attempts to distract and sort of deviate a little bit, not so much that time. And Nurmatov is able to just yank his arm out, but I like the submission attempts coming from Cassotti. Possibly looking for a triangle here. Now we get to see what he's like on his guard. Cassotti's very tricky. Inside that guard, he's got a few submissions.
4 submissions to his name, Mitch.
Yeah, he's nasty off the back. Looks like trying to triangle right there, trying to shove that arm down. But Nurmatov, wise to it, slides the arm out, looking to get back to the ground and pound, lands a nice little left hand there.
Cassotti making the life of Nurmatov very hard, not letting him get into any dominant positions, constantly throwing up these submissions. Kimura, footlocks, the heel hooks. Cassotti looking to throw up triangles as well, but again, urgency is what is needed here for Cassotti.
Yeah, he needs to get this thing back to his feet ultra quick and then keep it there. His best attribute is his striking. He has got to try to get back there, but easier said than done when you have a beast like Adilet Nurmatov on top of you.
Nurmatov is able to set those takedowns up with his striking, light on his toes. He throws 2 hard shots there, gets Cassotti thinking about the strikes, and it gets into these body lock positions. And the ground is in as well. It is Nurmatov with short strikes, short elbows. Referee Muhammad Salam is going to pull him back to the middle.
Let's go!
1 minute left in the second round.
Nurmatov currently riding a 3-fight win streak, hoping to extend it to 4 here tonight. 1 minute left in this second round. Now keep in mind that we are not judging this round by round, so if Kasadi can pull off something big here, you know, he can sway the judges by scoring some big points, but he's got to do something here, Gianni. There's got to be some urgency and a little bit of fire coming off the back of Leonardo Kasadi. 9-week camp, said this is some of the best condition he's ever been in. He's focused on his grappling. He knew he was going to be in this type of position.
4 massive shots there with a left hand from Nurmatov, right on the chin of Leandro Kasadi.
10 seconds left.
He's got to put that cardio to use at the moment. Comfortable in guard, weathering these short strikes coming from Nurmatov.
Back to your corners.
Leonardo Kasadi dig deep and possibly swing things in his favor, but immediately Nurmatov gets into the body lock, sweeps out the leg. A little bit more urgency, a little more speed, a little more pressure into that takedown, pins down the arm. Here comes the ground and pound.
Elbows now dropping on the head of Kasadi. Nurmatov with a massive takedown early in the 3rd round, going right to work with the ground and pound. And he gets advantage.
Energy. Ladies and gentlemen, after 35 seconds in the 3rd round, your referee has called a stop to this contest. Your winner, by way of technical knockout, Adilet